Hello, candidates. How are you? I hope you're fine. So, you know very well that your case is going on in Guwahati High Court at Guwahati. So, you can see some lists are here. This is very long list, and if you want check it, you can check. And if you have case number and etc., what is respective detail, you can fill in this website and then you can check. You know what, that I'm telling you about your result, that consolidated cases list is here. If you want see, then you can see the Guwahati High Court cases list, and latest case list is 12th October 2020 and 9 October 2020. But I'm telling you clearly that this is mix up of all cases. If you have case number, we will go in backside, then just you should have case status, case number, FIR number, party name, advocate number, filing number, act, case type, case order, all will open front of you. So I am going towards the website of APDCL, because of I'm telling you about your result, and I can understand what is your excitement regarding your result, but unfortunately you are not getting your result towards this all critical things. Your result has spoiled. So I can't say it has spoiled, but it will declare. And I'm going towards website. I'm entering here APDCO. I'm selecting by there, and it's opening in few seconds, so wait please. Within 2 seconds it is opening, and then you can see what is activated here, any activate link or not still now. So I'm checking well, and it's taking few minutes. It's taking just few seconds, not minutes, so please wait, because of my net is very slow. And here is some net problem. Okay, it's okay, it's opening. Please wait. I'm telling you about your result. Yes, now you can see website has opened. Now you are seeing. So we are going in this section, what's new section. What's new section, what is showing here? We are seeing basically office come field assistant result, and Shayank result, and freshers result. So already I told you in firstly I said you that your case is in a high court. So high court will take interim decision regarding your result, and then after some time your result will upload on the website, and then link will be activated. Otherwise it will not activate. Before that hiring date, your link will not activate. So please wait for few days more, and it is very compulsory, very important for you. And don't take any tension, your result will out, definitely your result will out, but you have to wait for some days more. I can see, I can understand your patience level. It's very, a long time has passed, but your result is not displaying. But we have not option candidates, we have no any option, other option. So please wait for a few days more, and whenever your result will out, I'll intimate you. And please subscribe this channel, and don't forget press bell icon, because of this is very important news for you. And if you want check your result, then I already told you that you have to go in services. You can see here Google is very friendly thing, and you can search each and everything in this. Very helpful. Google is very helpful. So you have to press in website in a browser, your Chrome browser, or in your Yahoo, or anywhere you can check Chrome, Google, or etc. There is many offer brochures. And services dot ecourts.gov.in, just you have to type here. Likewise this you have to type here, and you should have your case number, file number, your etc, what will be respective login detail there, and then you have to enter that all, and then your case detail will be in front of you. So candidates, I already told you, if you share this video till end, please hit the like button and subscribe this channel, and don't forget press bell icon. Thank you very much.